Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Figma Community for templates and brand kits, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Figma website. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Figma Community section. Look for the Community option in the top navigation bar. Click on Community to enter the Figma Community interface. You will see a variety of templates and brand kits available for use. To find a specific template or brand kit, use the search bar at the top. Type in keywords related to what you are looking for, such as UI kits or brand logos. Browse through the search results to find templates that meet your needs. When you find a template you like, click on its title for more details. On the template page, review the description and the features it offers. This will add the template to your personal Figma workspace. You can now customize the template to fit your project requirements. To further explore the community, click on Explore, which showcases popular templates. Consider following creators whose work you admire for future updates. You can also join community discussions and leave feedback on templates. This interaction allows you to connect with other designers and share insights. Now you are fully equipped to utilize Figma Community for your design needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.